So as the title of the video suggests, we're gonna be doing some changes and revamping the trusty old WR250R. I'm gonna outline some of the changes here. Let's talk about them real quick. If you guys have watched any of my other WR250R videos, you'll have known I put those black side covers on, the WR250F headlight up here. I think it suits the bike quite nicely. And I put the GPR exhaust on there, YZ foot pegs, yada yada yada. Today we're talking about this rear plastic. You'll notice it's already black. I've already done it. I filmed it. I just forgot to do an intro. I'll link all the parts that I used for it in the description below. If you guys want to follow along and do the same thing to your bike. All right, let's jump back to me in the garage. Hope you guys enjoy the rest of the video. All right, let's go. What up, fam? So we're back in the garage. Let's get to it. First thing you gotta do is remove the seat. So let's get to it. There are two 8mm bolts right there, and that's all that's holding on the seat. I just remembered you gotta take these side panels off to get this back piece off, so let's do that. Anywho, let's see what we have in this box right here. Woo-wee. Nothing like a brand new, fresh, shiny piece of plastic. I remember when my blue piece looked like that. Swing your leg over it a couple times and it ends up like this. Eesh. Alright, so the only thing I didn't put on that I have is this little emblem. I'm just waiting on a couple of other things, so yeah, I'll put this on when I get those things. You'll see in the next episode. And the only things we're missing are this one seal that goes over here and this one that goes in here. We're still gonna put it on the bike because I want to see what this damn thing looks like. Boom. Yeah, that looks pretty killer actually. I forgot to order black fork guards, so I'm gonna have to do that. But so far, step one, I think it looks awesome. Like the title suggests, we're revamping this bad boy for 2022. It's gonna look a whole lot different when we're done, and this is just step one. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed what you saw today, and if you wanna see more progress on the WR250R, hit that subscribe button. I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.